Hello, enthusiast. Welcome to the part 2 of reading data from SQL. So, in the last lecture, we have understood how to write data in SQL database, and today we'll learn how to read data from it. So, as you can see, my XAMPP is on, and in my HeidiSQL, I have two data records, and in the table, I have three columns, that is serial number, name, and roll number. So, there are two ways we can read this data. You can read all data or a specific data you want to read. That's right. Select star from quality and connect the same database and connect a debug. Now when you inject, you see two objects, my two rows and all the data is here. If you want to show this on your dashboard, just connect a table node, assign it the group. So you can see the table here. And in case you want to read only two columns, so instead of star, you need to mention the column name. So you can see I have read only the two columns. And if you want this dashboard data to be updated automatically, so you can set this inject in repeat interval 1 second or 0.1 second from here. So the data, if MySQL data is updated, then their dashboard will be automatically updated. As you can see, my debug is injecting. Debug is giving output every 0.1 second. So let's disable this. And you can run all those queries which you have learned in SQL. You can first run the queries here in the HeidiSQL panel, and if there is no error, you can just copy and in this paste in the function in the message.topic. The query should be in message.topic, and this will run exactly same as it runs in SQL. So I hope you learned something new today, and thanks for watching.